Assalamualaikum and good day. First of all, my name is Natasha Sofia binti Abdullah from Diploma in Landscape and Horticulture. Today, I would like to present my final landscape design proposal entitled Landscape Revitalization for Academic Block B, Courtyard and Laman Usahawan, KPMB. This project focused on improving the courtyard area by transforming it into a more functional, comfortable and visually attractive outdoor environment for students and lecturers. Next, I will explain the idea development and concept of my design. The concept used in this project is called Move Terra. The word move represents physical movement and light activity which encourage students to stay active and energized. Meanwhile, Terra refers to therapy which focus on relaxation, mental recovery and emotional balance. Therefore, the Move Terra concept combines movement and therapeutic space to create a campus environment where users can relieve stress, recharge between classes. In addition, the design theme applied in this project is modern tropical landscape. This theme is suitable for the tropical climate in Malaysia and integrate natural planting, shading, element and modern landscape design. As a result, the design creates a comfortable and relaxation outdoor environment for campus users. Next, I will explain the issue, objective, and goal of this proposal. The main issue identified at the site is insufficient greenery and limited facility, which reduce the visual attractiveness and usability of the courtyard. Because of this, the space is not fully utilized by students. Therefore, the objective of this project is to increase planting element, improve visual quality, and reduce heat retention during hot days. In addition, new facilities such as seating area and activity space are introduced to improve the functionality of the space. The overall goal of this design is to create a well-organized and functional outdoor environment that enhances comfort and user experience. Based on the Move Terra concept, the design includes two main elements, which are movement and therapy. For the movement element, facilities such as monkey bars, jumping skill equipment, and stepping stone are provided. These features help develop balance, coordination, and physical engagement. Meanwhile, the therapy element focuses on relaxation through shaded resting area, pergola swings, seating areas, and planting zone. This space helps create a calming and comfortable atmosphere for users. Next, I will explain the conceptual diagram. The diagram shows how different elements work together within the landscape design. For example, planting area help improve visual quality and reduce heat. Shaded space improve comfort and relaxation. In addition, the design also includes a solar panel table and chair which functional as a resting and charging spot for students while promoting sustainable energy usage. Moving on to the design approach and from composition plan. The design uses an oval form which helps create smooth circulation and movement within the space. This layout also connects the different functional areas and improve accessibility throughout the courtyard. Buffer space are also created to separate active zone from relaxation zone, ensuring user comfort. Next is the functional diagram. This diagram shows how the site is divided into different zones, including movement areas, therapy areas, planting space, and circulation pathway. These zones work together to create a balanced and functional outdoor environment. The schematic plan shows the initial spatial arrangement of the landscape elements, including pathway seating areas, planting bed, and activity zone. Facilities such as smoothie stall and coffee and pastry stall are also included to encourage social interaction among students. Now moving on to the master plans. The master plan shows the final layout of the landscape design. It integrates various features such as pergola seating areas, cafe table seating, monkey bars, jumping skill equipment, planting zone, and brick pathway. food stalls are also provided to offer refreshment for students during breaks. In addition, solar panel table and chair are included as resting area where user can sit and charge their device. These elements help create a functional and attractive campus courtyard space. Next, I will explain the softscape palette used in this design. The planting selection include trees, shrubs, palms, climbers, and ground cover. For example, we have Prunus sargenti, Zelkova serrata, Adonidia merrili, Phoenix robelin, Rosa retras, Hydrangea arborescens, and Lavandula dentata. These plants provide aesthetic value, shading. Besides softscape element, the design also includes several hardscape features. These include jumping skill equipment, timber gazebo with hanging swing, planter box, bollard light, and outdoor cafe table sets. The material used are durable and suitable for outdoor landscape environment. For example, the curved food stall kiosk use Changle hardwood with timber panel cladding and reinforced concrete base. The linear food stall kiosk use an L-shaped layout to create visual balance. In addition, the monkey bar equipment use milk steel with anti-rust coating for durability and safety. Next, I will present the perspective drawing. The perspective drawing provides a realistic view of the landscape design from the user's point of view. It shows how elements such as pergola sitting area, cafe table, planting zone, and activity space create a comfortable environment for users. In addition, this is the axonometric drawing. The axonometric view shows the three-dimensional arrangement of the landscape element. It helps us understand the relationship between structure, planting area, pathway, and activity zone within the design. Following that is the section drawing. The section shows the vertical relationship between the landscape element, including ground level, planting area, sitting space, and structure. This drawing helps explain the human scale and spatial depth of the landscape design. Finally, in conclusion, this landscape revitalization proposal aims to transform the courtyard into a functional, comfortable, and visually attractive outdoor space. Through the Move Terra concept, the design integrates movement, relaxation, greenery, and social interaction. Overall, the design improves the campus environment while providing a space for students and lecturers to relax and recharge. Thank you.